Am I live right now? Oh, I'm live. Sorry about that. Just lost in thought for a second. Let's see here. I just uploaded this new video. Tell me what you think about it. If you haven't watched it already, appreciate it. Let's go to Twitter. Let's open up my project so far here. Now we got this. So let's check the README. So we have most things done for the pre-MVP. We need search phone, center loader, article page we need to figure out. Google Analytics, I'm pretty sure it'd be easy to do. Let's check this out. So we have the templates. I'm trying to think what I wanted, how I would implement this. So we do need to create a new template. It'll be called not a new folder, sorry, a new template. Articles.html. We could do index. HTML5. We have this. We'll just call it article page, whatever. Article page. That will be changed later, probably dynamically. We'll go. Oh, well, actually, the title will probably always be ProGo, but some metadata might change. ProGo. What's my daughter's snowing in my face? Oh my god. What's the matter? 1 second, let me give them some water because they're crying at me that it's something. Don't I love my patience, my virtue. All right, fresh water, babies. Drink. Okay, sorry about that. Now, we have a basic idea of what we want this to be like. We're going to have it be, the image is like a banner across the thing, so we're going to have like the image, right? We have that. Let's just go to assets. Well, in this situation, it could be like this. Imagine. It's ProGo. There we go. Okay, let me check something right now. Go run. Checking the file path of the main image. So I go to localhost 8000. Yeah, it's still there. Even though it doesn't have the direct path. Title. Okay. Back to this grind. Assets ProGo. Assets. Okay, we have this, like the article image article header. And if there is nothing there, we're just going to default it to HTMX program probably. So there's that. Next, we got to do, well, let's first put this in. This is going to be outside of the section. So then we're going to have a section. All right. Right here. This is where the title of the article is going to be. So we're going to have an H1 probably. We do title. And this one's going to be the content. Well, this content doesn't have to be H2. It can just be paragraph tags. Okay, it is the content. We can wrap this in an article, but I don't think we really need to. We can if we want. We can, yeah. Throw this bad boy around here. And yeah, okay. Get that in line with the rest, and then this pops out a little bit. Okay. Got the basic thing down. Now I'm gonna push it up just to get the commits. Basic articles page. Hit push. Okay. Now, just so that we can visualize it, we need a way of getting to it. Well, I'm pretty sure I could just open it here. Well, let's do it like this, because I'll need to do this anyway. We'll do... This is not having to do with bookmarks. It's having to do with... Well, yeah, no, it has to do with articles. So yeah, it's closer to the search and bookmarks. So we'll just do it at the end here. HTTP dot handle funct. Pattern string, handler function. Yeah, pattern string. I don't know why. The way they explain that sounds kind of weird. That will be. Just have it be articles for now. We'll have to have it be dynamic later, and then we'll have a article handler. We'll probably have to be an article / something dynamic. That way it doesn't accidentally, someone like misspells the URL somewhere and then messes up. Okay. We have secret handler at the bottom. Why is that still called secret handler? I have no idea. Load bookmark handler. That's search handler. Oh, my bad. Now we'll have the article handler. So we do article handler, then we do this, we equal it to funct, w writer. Oh, sorry, I didn't have the equal sign here. I accidentally did the plus. That's not a good thing. Alright, right? HTTP writer response. Oh, yeah. Response writer. And then we'll do a rec. I'm gonna get the data of that, so we'll do http.request. Alright, perfect. And we'll do this. We just want to render it. So we can do t equal t initialize to temple must. That's up. Okay. Let's trying to remember the syntax as well in case I ever run just write this from memory. Template must. Basically, must ensures that there are no like escape characters. I read that in the Go book. Not sure if my recalling of that is true, but template parse blob for folders. Then we do Apparently this doesn't work 3 deep, like, I mean 2 deep even. So if I put a folder inside of a folder, it won't work, which is interesting. At least that's what I haven't tried. I might try it later, but we'll see about that. That's just what I read from the Go website. It could have been updated since then. Parse blob? Did I misspell blob or something? Defined. Oh. Take my example here. Parse glob, not blob. Oh, my bad. Parse glob. Is there something called blob though, or am I just mistaken on that? Let's check. TDAX will be fine. Yeah, nil. That's what it is. Don't have to pass anything. Alright, now if we run this, and we go to the handler, which I've named articles for now, we will go run. Making sure I'm live as well. I have 0 frame drops, which is always suspicious to me. Ever since the first time. Traumatized. Oh, it's actually already running. Yeah, currently live. Cool. Let's go to Discord. And that's sad. Let me send the link to my friends. Friends are fun. This video makes me cringe. Well, the stream makes me cringe too, but this makes me cringe more. Nah, I'm kidding. I like streaming. I paused it here. Okay, back to the grind. That's cool. We'll do a... Why are you stuttering? I just why you starting myself. It's fun. Why does this not... Oh, it didn't reload it. Yep, there it is. Article header. Where does that word article header come from? Ah, that's the image that they can't access? Yeah, for some reason I'm not able to access this image. I remember now, that's why I used the URL. Yeah, I don't know why I'm not able to access that. We'll come back to that. Like if I click on this, there it is. So, it does leak there. Now, let's go back to this. So we have the content. We're going to basically have the, what's the article in the section here? Yeah. throw it in here. And then we'll do, well, first we need to get the Uno CSS styling again. Stop looking at me. Index. And I learned just copy them all and get rid of the ones you don't use later. Okay, we got that. Alright, now. Stop licking me. My dog. We'll do class equal to this, but I have a default slate. Straight 900. The section will be. Wait a minute, let me get the height full and all this other stuff I wanted. As well, just make sure that there's no messed up stuff. Okay. Load this. Okay. Everything. Well, yeah. Let's do it like this. We'll change everything to class text white. Oh, Shama. Yeah, sorry about that. My dog was. What are you doing? Stop doing that. Licking the wall or something. I don't know. Okay, let's see here. So we'll do a class on the image. Stop sniffing the walls. It's really weird. With full. We'll do padding top 10, I guess. We might want to show that off like as a. I have an idea. Let's go. We'll just take this from the index so far. We'll take this nav section. We won't have the login and stuff be there though. I think it's kind of. Well, we can have it there, yeah. It's fine. Let's do that here. It's just above the image. Or no, it will be the image. It'll be, well, throw this here. And this image would be the thing that's below it. So we'll do this. Yeah, we have this now. Alright, cool. Now, we'll also do like, when we have the article image there, it'll be much better, but for now we're just going to have the title. Well, we're going to do, where to go? Yeah, here it is. Just below here. So this is going to be interesting. We're going to have a class. Equal flex, justify center, line center. Okay, but I guess flex column does something weird there. So let's do text center. Okay, perfect. Now, this is going to be a long piece of text with an article and stuff below it. Let's do P, T, 10, just make sure it has some space. Yep. And there'll also be a border. We can do a border too, I think. Will that work, or will I have to pull out my styles? Let's have to pull out my styles. Okay, let's go back to the index, get my custom classes that I'm using. Probably will need it because the borders are kind of weird. Throw this here. Oh, it's not in the style tag. 1 second. Do a style. Oh, this body's automatically going to be slate, so there's no reason to worry about that. Now, we could do this with the button. Perfect. Almost perfect. There we go. Okay, we got this. Now if we do this with a border up here. I think I need to do my border class. Add a border. Yep, okay. Faye, my dog. Border. We're gonna do just radius. I think we just do rounded. Rounded LG, yeah. And the width will be only 70%. Like 50 on each side. Do like this. Okay. Well, it's not centered though. Well, I have all these centering tags, and you're telling me it's not centered. If I do MX auto, will it do it, or do I have to wrap in something? Okay. It's like, what the hell? That's so funny. Okay, let's do git add. Git commit. Now you have the basic article styles in place. Git push. Okay. We'll make this padding 5 because I think 10 is too much. Yeah. Okay. So the important thing is when we click on the article, we're going to have to wrap it in an A tag and then send the data to this. Okay, so first we need to what's the word I'm thinking about? No, probably also need to add an author in here too, I forgot. We'll take care of that in a second. Oh, well, later when we have more. LaFay! What are you doing? Oh, okay. Don't much of anything. Back to the, thinking. Anyone here? Oh, not yet. Okay, so have some time. We'll do, you have flex column, justify center, align center, text center, yeah. Now we have to go to the index, HTML, and we can wrap the articles. Actually, we already have it in a href. Yeah, so this is, we can just swap this out. That's gonna be confusing though. Go templates, dynamic IDs. Go templates, HTTP net. I think that's the same one, same article here. Not really new. Not this. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm pretty sure. Dynamic path, not ID. Sorry, dynamic path. Simple content management system. I hate seeing this after the interview. Content. Is that what it means? Content management system? Yeah, like I think of like WordPress like this, Drupal and stuff like this. This is what I think of. Like requirement management, digital asset management, and web content management. So, yeah. I wrote a simple content management system in Google that just uses default for routing. Select this. HTTP. Redirect. Using redirect stuff in here. Control F. Dynamic. Dynamic JavaScript, huh? Like if I just do this, let me just see if this my idea will work. If I do this, and I just have it be ID or something like that. That's how you would do it in like Python and what does. Why am I Georgia? Come here. Come here. Where's the tissue paper? That's right here. Come here. She's rubbing her nose all over the wall. Come back here. Here. Why is it so dry? Go drink your water. Sorry about that. Now, I could do, basically, where is it? Sorry, I lost track of where I was going. Oh, it's not YouTube. Sorry, my dog's talking to me. What's the matter? You're cold too? I'm hugging you already. Index. Yeah, found some. You have food. Trying to think. Oh yeah, here it is. No, that's not it. This is it. So we could do we could do slash articles slash this. And that should work. In theory, anyway. Yeah, the image didn't load there. So if I want to go to, I think it's because the server's not running right now. Yeah, it's not. What is this? To run. Alright, come on. I'm our favorite seat in the house. Please get your fur away from the computer. I don't need that fur in there. Let's see here. It needs to be an error page for URLs like that. Okay. YouTubers. Well, I thought it said Google. I guess I was reading here. Okay. I just didn't read it correctly. Made me lose my train of thought. Yes, we're going to click on the article. That didn't work. Alright, go back to the main.go. And yeah, it's like, yeah, maybe we'll see if I do a star thing, meaning it could be anything. What do you want? Back to this and this. You want to say something? You want to talk to them? You want to say hello? They're just sniffing the air. What do you want? Okay. Oh, wow, that's a URL I didn't think I'd go to today. Check this. Still didn't work. Oh, I think it's because it's multiple slashes, maybe. So instead of, for testing, we'll just have it be the author instead. Oh, where is it? Index. Gosh, later we're gonna have this be like an ID or something. No? Let's see it where the author's just one name. No. Maybe if I go back to my original thought. Like this. Be like ID or something like that. I have to reset the server for this. I think I know what to, yeah, put that out of the way. Do this. Golang dynamic URLs. Ah, there you go. That's probably closer to what I wanted. Now click this. It'd be funny if it worked though, but it didn't. Reload this. Try again. No. Okay. Back to thank you. Okay, here's the weather API endpoint here. I just want to see his example. Control F, HTTP, what is it? GPT handle. He doesn't have that? Okay, good. D key. Let me check this. This is a refrigerator. This isn't exactly what I'm looking for. I guess you could do it like this. Not what I'm really was thinking. Hmm. 6 years ago, though. Is there like no modern way? Brooks, mute sounds like something. It's a random list, though. That's not what I wanted. You are rude or suck. I just want to pass the thing and then have that be the root. React, it's very simple. Anybody familiar with how to do this? This thing, let me check this here. Let's see here. Let me check this. Net/HTTP dynamic root. Okay. I think what they're trying to do is different from what I'm trying to do, but similar. Could I just, so could I just do this with no mention of ID and it would work? Seems like what they're saying. How would I then get that? This would be a little tricky. That didn't work. Oh wait. Have to reset the server, I think. Oh, it worked. Nice. That was simpler than I thought, actually. The problem would be then getting the params from that. I think it'd be easy though, right? Maybe. Git add. You commit. Dynamic root. I misspelled dynamic, but don't worry about it. Gotta fix it. Watch. Dang. Dynamic. I don't even know that's spelled correct. Actually, I'm kind of illiterate. Oh yeah, thank you. Wait a minute. Oh, I got it right. Why did it tell me? Why did it load again? Oh, because I ended it. Okay. Git push. Later, we're gonna replace it with an ID. So we're gonna get this URL, which is going to be eventually just gonna be an ID we have in our own database, or a custom URL, and find it. So let's see here. We have this. Yeah. The issue is that if we are also to, well, we could have it just be a 404 error, because this will work for pretty much any URL, even ones that don't exist. So if we can't find the database, we would just instead return the error page. That could be done. So we'll do, so is there like a git params? We can have a JavaScript function get params and send it back. URL.query that get param one. We could just do a read URL query. We don't want the param, we just want the query, we just want the URL, so r.url, can that work? We could use params as well, but I don't know. That looks, to me that looks like it just like that's for searching, not for like URLs to actual parts of the site. Let's see here. Yeah. So let's see if we can read this. Handler, article handler. So we're just going to do a ftmt.print line. We're going to get that. But first we got to pull this apart. Param that r.url. Okay. And I don't use r, I use rec. So there. I don't know why I call it read. I just see r and I think read. Probably why I use rec. And there's no capital L in print line, other than it kind of looks like it is. That little dent right there. Yeah, so we'll see if this works. And that should give us back the author name. If I were to reload this, I should return. Didn't give me an error, at least. Yep, it did, but gave us this %20 for the space between. But we could filter that out. We could do a regex or something like that. Or we could just do... Or does that just for the... For that, I don't know, it's like a... We have to figure out whether the %20 is in the URL. If that's just the, I think that's for the websites too. It'll automatically put a %20 here, not just for the terminal. Terminals can have spaces. So, yeah, when it's a custom ID, it'll just be straight, or when it's a custom URL. Okay, so we got that basic stuff out of the way, and it was all pretty much easier than I thought it would be. Instead of param, let's call this author, because that's what it is, author. And we'll do Control C and git add git commit. Hi. Can get author from URL. Nice. Git push. Perfect. Now we have that. We have the basic building blocks in place. You could do you could do an SQL injection here, couldn't you? Or would the template like filter that out? Or no, I could filter that out later. Sanitize the input. That'd be interesting to figure out. Now, let's see. We could do params that kid, and that would be like the URL, right? Let's check the GitHub. Not my profile. Progo. It's mostly HTML now. Only 9 contributions. Maybe we can make it mostly back to being Go. We'll see. We have that. It is like 50% in templates. Okay, put this here. Then we're going to have it search a database, so we'll have that set up for later. We'll do yeah, we'll do it like yeah, because that's the only way we're going to be able to share the URL is that we get the articles from the database that they're in. But the way I was thinking of doing it temporarily was that you would just send from the front end that information. But if you were to share that URL with someone, it wouldn't go anywhere. It wouldn't have that information. So maybe we'll build like a web scraper. Because I don't hate relying on the API so much because it kind of like throws us to a wind to a bit of a headache. So we'll do we'll get a file, not a folder, sorry. File here, we'll just call it get articles. Let that go. And we'll just have it be package database. Okay. And we'll do a funct, and it has to be capitalized, and we'll do get articles, and we'll have this basic thing set up. So next we're gonna have to do basically a web scraper. We can also create the database. What will we need? Well, we're gonna have an auto-generated ID, hopefully. Not hopefully, but you know, unique ID, and then we're gonna have a way of creating a URL for it. So we're gonna do create table if not exists, and we're gonna call that articles. We could also have like a basic feature for likes. Likes is gonna be like complicated. Let's see. Like database. We can have likes for now. We might not use it right away, but we'll have it set up. So we'll call this one. Is this auto increment? Should be. Yeah, that's what serial means, auto increment. Oh, I forgot. Articles ID. Oh, it already says ID. Serial primary key. There will be username is just the author in this situation. So you can go to that author text, title text, subscription text. URL is not URL to image. Yeah, we might have put that somewhere separate. Yeah, okay, makes sense. My home image handling, that'd be cool. Text URL. What is this called? We'll call it slug. And we should probably convert it to caps for these newer things. Because it's kind of annoying that some of these are lowercase and some of them are caps. Later we'll probably fix this type of stuff. Well, first, I think instead I'm actually going to go back and make it lowercase. Because caps are kind of annoying. URL to image. Only we'll do it camel case. image and content. Okay. So we'll have the author, the title, the description, the slug, the URL to image, the content. And we'll have likes, which will just be an int. Okay, just type int. Likes will be an int. I think it's integer, right? Postgres integer. Small int integer. Yeah, that's probably large enough. I don't think we'll have that many likes. Likes will be the integer. Next, what else do we want? You could do dislikes too. You know, well, not Facebook. Dislikes. That'll be an integer. We could have like a ranking system. If it's published by someone on the website, they'll have like a rank or something like that. They'll have like a supporter badge or something like that. So we could have a rank. These could go unused, you know. Rank, text, and then it will have a badge. And the badge will be, will the badge be, yeah, it'll still be text even if it's an image. But I think it's going to be like a CSS combination. Text, rank, text, badge, text, integer, likes, dislikes, integer, rank, text, badge. We can always add something to take it away, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we'll do a create, we'll run it once and then create the database. It'll skip over these because it's not exist. So we'll go to main.go and we'll just throw it. We could throw it outside of the login handler too, and it'll just run very first thing. Create. Database is done. Or is it just database? Yes, it's database. Yeah. Okay, now we'll do a go run. But there's no error or anything, it will say. It's run automatically, but just to make sure I'm going to reload the page and go back to this. Make sure we give it actual work to do. Yeah, it seems to be created. So if I try to do it again, it'll just give me an error like this has already been created or something like that. Why? That's interesting that they give me an error for the previous ones. Something's a little off here. Let me try this. Let me throw it into database.create. We'll throw it into here so that when we go to the main page, it'll initiate. Okay, try it again. Yeah. Didn't print any error or anything. Well, I'm just gonna assume it worked, and then we'll try it later and see if it's actually part of there. Log fatal, failed to execute query. Okay, well, we'll worry about that tomorrow. Right now we'll see you do git add. Let's go go. I already fixed it, okay. Maybe I need to put it in the error thing like this, otherwise I won't do anything. No, it should still run an error either way, because I think I did it before. Yeah, do this, right? Yeah, it doesn't return any values, right? Oh, it should return an error. Let's go to create DB. Yeah, it should return an error. Error, and then return, no. Let's see here. And then we'll do if error not equal to nil, return. I'll do a print. Yeah, printf be created. And you'll do a percent v, I think. Do error. Yep. So if I were to do or go run now, I should have created the databases, so it should just give us an error. Or to run this. Still not doing what I wanted to do. So is this creating endless databases here? Okay, I'll work on this tomorrow. I'll try to figure this shit out. Can take a break. Git add, git commit, new article db, git push. What I think happened is there's some kind of error, and because we're not returning the result, we can't see the error or something like that. That's what I think. Probably something like it did error, or it's like something I typed in the SQL statement is wrong. That's what I think that's happening. Yeah. No one here. Maybe it's just too late for everybody. Well, or too early. It's like 1:30. Oh, I'm gonna go take a break. Maybe a nap. Well, if anyone comes in, watch this later. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. We're going to be building a bit of a web scraper tomorrow. I have a few websites I think we can scrape some good information from. Alright, peace. See ya.